Hey everybody, this is your buddy here, Scooter Steve. I got something good to show you. I have the 2017 650 Burgman, and if you're tired of having your bike where your radio goes in here, move this stuff out of the way to show you. Right here, they got a place here for a telephone. See it right there? Well, the problem is, you put your phone in there on a hot day, this gets hot and your phone starts to wear down. You know, you get a warning on your telephone it's overheating because it's too hot in here. So I'm going to show you where to buy, how to hook something up I bought off of eBay, and then later on I'm going to show you where you purchase it. Okay, here it is right here. This is for your Burgman 650. Excuse me. Okay, I already had a hole right here for the radio wires. I put it in here. It's got this adapter. I put two side tape here, and then here's the wire leading out right here that you can plug your cell phone in right here. Okay, and the way it works, it's connected underneath here. This cover comes off. It's underneath there. You got your positive and your hot. Okay, and then you go around this side of the bike here, and you can see the wire comes up through here. Then it comes out of this little hole right here, as you see, and it looks like this. Okay, and the good thing is you leave your cell phone in here, and then you got your listen to your Pandora music, whatever you want to hear, on Bluetooth. And there's my Hulk stereo system right there. One of my other videos will show you where to purchase it and how to hook it up. So I thought this would be for people because I'm tired of my bike radio getting overheated all the time. When the bike gets hot in the summer, it gets awful hot. So I put in here. This has a USB port on the stereo, but that's only for flash drives. It doesn't work. Won't charge phones up or anything. This would charge your phone. Okay, well, this is Scooter Steve. You have a pleasant day. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video, and if you ring the bell, I'll send some more videos over to you. Or if you got any questions, you can contact me on YouTube. You have a pleasant day and safe trails. Bye for now.